Hello people, my name is Konstantin and today I show you my chainsaws. This is a Chinese chainsaw, fucking Chinese, zero, nothing, terrible, fuck. Here I have Husqvarna chains, bars, another pistons, cylinder, so many fucking dime engine, exhaust. The first chainsaw is the Husqvarna 395, the monster. Another chainsaw is Stihl 08, very old, original, everything is original, it's too old this. And Solo, new Solo, comme ci comme ça, Eco, very good chainsaw, Japan. And this is the John series. He's same Husqvarna, but he's good, very good. Chinese, fucking Chinese, Homelite, old, manual pump oil. And this is, I don't know, Ghost. This is the Husqvarna Mini, but it's the Chinese, no, it's no original. 346 6P, very good. This is Canadian, maybe American chainsaw, I don't know. Dolmar, it's no work, the engine is off. Eco, same chainsaw, same engines, but it's no much better like this. Very good. And this is Mac, I don't know. Cylinder, lots of piece, engines. It's my passion. This is my video and good luck. Bye.